So another Halloween featured print. This one is a zombie. Another one by Nakozen. Or Nakozen. Nakozen. That one took 29 minutes. Shouldn't take many minutes to put together. I think the best thing I can do with this is go and print another load of them in different colours. I think I've got some green left, because, I mean, zombies are supposed to be green, or, having said that, I suppose they could be red, or any colour, I suppose. I do have a whole load of little short reels or spools of PLA in different colours that I really ought to use up. I expect they've probably absorbed moisture or whatever, so they probably won't print very well. But for something like this, it probably wouldn't matter. In fact, if they go a bit stringy or whatever, they probably look just right for a zombie. Halloween features or projects. Yeah, this shouldn't take many minutes. I was hoping there might have been some chance of animating it, but looking at these, there's no chance of animating it other than just physically moving the whole item. There's no individual arms and legs that we can animate. Not sure which is the left and which is the right. I don't suppose it really matters. I wonder if he'll actually stand up. I wonder which way round the neck goes. Oh, it's not tight. Oh, that's annoying. I have to glue it. The legs are a nice tight fit. The arms are loose, and the head and neck is loose. So yeah, I'm gonna have to glue it. So I'll do that. I put a little bit of blue tack under his foot just to hold him upright. And yeah, I'll have to do a few more so we can have a little bit of a diorama of them. But it'll be difficult to try and animate. There's really no option. Which is a shame. It would have been fun to animate the zombies. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel, and down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.